friends, my name is Taylor Chu from We Craft Social. Today I'm going to show you a fun painting project that is low mess using the back of a canvas. And ta-da! A relatively low mess painting project. Now you can use all sorts of types of balls. I used a squishy eyeball because that's what I had in my house, but marbles would work really great, or a golf ball if you're using a bigger canvas. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for watching this video. You can check out my other baking and crafting videos up on my channel.